Do you have home improvement jobs to do? Is your home in need of some TLC, or just routine maintenance? Today we all have busy lives and are time poor. And it can be hard to find the time to get those little jobs done as well as complete those tasks you never seem to get started. DIY home repairs can be tricky. So, whatever work you need to do around your home or office, remember, Dad Will Fix It is there to help. By using a handyman with a wide range of skills, there is no need to look for a different specialist for each job. When you call Dad Will Fix It, there is no need to coordinate a time to meet with a handful of tradespeople or waste your relaxation time working on the house or office. So, get those jobs completed quickly and to your satisfaction. Contact Dad Will Fix It for a no-obligation free quote. Call 1-300-789-955 or just email us at info@dadwillfixit.com.au. Go to our website now and book an appointment. dadwillfixit.com.au.